Most people do not fail due to a lack of intelligence. They do not fail due to a lack of opportunity. They fail because they repeat every day three silent mistakes. Errors that destroy wealth before it exists, that block growth before it begins, that keep a person trapped in a cycle they don't even know they created. I will show you the three now. If you recognize any of them in yourself, this video could change the way you make financial decisions for the rest of your life. Error 1. Be available for everyone. There is a cost that almost no one accounts for. It's not on the bank statement, it doesn't show up on the income tax, but it drains more wealth than any debt. The cost of your time spent on the wrong people. Being available to everyone is the most financially expensive decision you can make because time is the only asset that cannot be recovered. Lost money can be recovered, lost time, never. Warren Buffett said something that few people take seriously. The difference between successful people and very successful people is that very successful people say no to almost everything. This is not arrogance, it's allocation of human capital. Just as you don't invest in any asset, you don't invest your time in just anyone. Research in behavioral economics shows that constant interruptions reduce cognitive productivity by up to 40%. It's like working with half the RAM. You exist, but you don't perform. Treat your time like you treat your money, with criteria, with strategy, with limits. Practical application. Before accepting any commitment, ask a simple question. Does this bring me closer to where I want to go, or does it just solve someone else's problem? If the answer is someone else, decline. If the answer is brings me closer, accept with full presence. Availability without filter is not generosity, it is financial and personal self-sabotage. The greatest wealth builders in history had one thing in common. They were extremely selective about where they placed their attention. Error 2. Keep making the same mistakes. There is a clear pattern in the finances of those who never get ahead. It's not bad luck. It's not the economic situation. It's not the government. It's repetition. The same person who spent last year's bonus without investing will spend this year's bonus in the same way. The same person who went into credit card debt in 2022 is going into it now in 2025. Not because they are stupid, because they didn't learn. Data from the central bank here in Brazil shows that more than 70% of indebted Brazilians have been in the same situation before. 70%. This is not a crisis, this is a cycle. Neuroscience explains why. The human brain is wired to repeat patterns, even those that cause pain. Habit generates neurological comfort even when the outcome is bad, so the brain prefers the known mistake to the unknown right answer. Result: people who know they need to invest but don't invest, who know they need to cut expenses but don't cut, who know what works but insist on what doesn't work. Insisting on the same behavior while expecting different results is not persistence. It is the clinical definition of error without learning. The antidote to repeated error is radical self-observation. No self-pity, no blame, observation. 3 questions you should ask yourself now. 1. What financial decision do I know is wrong and I keep making? 2. What pattern has been repeating in my financial life over the last 3 years? 3. What would I need to let go of for this pattern to change? You only transform what you see, and you only see what you have the courage to observe. Write the answers. The physical act of writing fully exercises the brain to process differently. It's not theory, it's cognitive protocol. Error 3. Being afraid to change. This is the most dangerous mistake of the 3 because it disguises itself very well. It appears as prudence, as caution, as waiting for the right moment. But in practice, it is paralysis. How many people do you know who have been talking about investing for years and have never made the first investment? Who want to start a business but have been in the same job for a decade without liking it? Who know they need to change their financial habits but find a new reason every month not to start? This is fear of change operating in silent mode. I'll leave a card up here that explains what productive procrastination is. A study from the University of Chicago showed that the main reason high-income individuals do not accumulate wealth is what researchers called financial inertia. Inertia, the tendency of a body at rest to remain at rest. In physics, this is law. In finance, it is tragedy. The fear of change has a specific and calculable cost. Those who start investing $500 a month at 25 years old have, by the age of 65, more than double what someone who starts at 35 years old with the same amount has. 10 years of fear literally cost millions. The price of immobility doesn't show up today. It appears 10-20 years later when there's no time left to correct it. Changing doesn't require unlimited courage. It requires the first step, just the first one. Because neuroscience proves action reduces fear. It's not fear that disappears first for you to act. It's action that makes fear diminish. Concrete financial application. If you have never invested, open an account at the digital bank today. If you have debt, list all of them. Just listing is already a change. If you want to start a business, write down the idea now, 10 lines. Change doesn't start with epic courage. It starts with a small, specific, and immediate action. The right moment will never come. The real moment is right here. 3 mistakes. 3 silent decisions that shape an entire financial trajectory. Being available to everyone drains the most valuable asset you have, time. Continuing to make the same mistakes keeps you in a cycle that you created yourself. Being afraid to change turns time into an invisible cost that only appears when it's too late. None of the 3 requires more intelligence to be corrected. It requires decision, it requires awareness, it requires the next right step. Because financial success is not an event, it is the sum of daily decisions. And if you like this type of content, I will leave this video to help you build wealth without making these mistakes, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. See you later.